Good morning and welcome to final stream.
Yes.
There will be one more winner's announcement, but the final stream is final day of Hackathon. It's called for submission stream.
Yeah, my name is Kim Hedberg and I work as the manager of strategy and offering at Stratiteq.
And my name is Goran Vukšić. I work as a technical manager for Stratiteq. So, AI for Healthcare Hackathon, it's been 3 weeks. We've seen a lot of activity, a lot of discussion with mentors, and here we are at the final day. Today you should shape your presentation till the end and make a submission. So yeah, it's final day. Will you sing Final Countdown? I can play air guitar.
That would be fun.
Yeah. So
this hackathon is brought to you by us, Stratiteq, together with Microsoft. And we have some awesome partners who has helped us out. So NVIDIA, SAS, and Women in AI. And we also have some hospitals because we are actually hacking real use cases. So it's Foundation 29, HM Hospitalis, Hospitale San Raffaele, Sanitas, and University Hospital Basel.
We also have supporting organizations that helped us spread the voice about the hackathon or in some other way. So we have Live AI, Microsoft for Startups, Microsoft Reactor, Faculty of Organization Informatics Croatia, Hackathons Australia, Global AI Student Conference. So, important information. Only 2 things are left. Project submission should happen today until 6 p.m. Central European Summertime. So it is 9 hours left to submit your projects. And the announcement will be next week at Friday. Yeah. So submission criteria, as you probably know so far, is to have a video presentation not longer than 7 minutes. So no judges or council members have time to watch this hour or 2 videos. Explain your idea, let us know what you did, like what you managed to achieve in these 3 weeks. Even though 3 weeks seems long, like for real AI projects it's short, but every idea is valuable, and many of the prizes after the hackathon is to continue working with this idea with some of the hospitals or in some of the startup programs. So let us know what it is about, who's the team behind it, and write a description on the dev post page. You can include some relevant links, you can include pictures, some other sources that you used in shaping this idea or in the real project.
Yeah, so the judging criteria are 4, basically. It's impact, so how much impact would the solution have in solving the challenge in itself that's been presented. But I think impact here is also if this can be applied on more challenges, for example, or be developed even further. Feasibility, is the solution realistic in terms of technical, legal, or other practical considerations? We know there are a lot of legal parts concerning data here, so it's important to have that in mind. Implementation, how much has been done during the hackathon in terms of making a real software solution? And of course, innovation. Is the solution innovative and creative? Is it using the latest technologies? We have some nice prizes. We have 3 track prizes, so 1 prize per track. So it's a track winner for AI applied to medical imaging, predictive medicine, and then empower patients. So each of them, we will have a track winner. And then we also have partner prizes. So we have the San Raffaele Hospital Prize, University Hospital Basel, Foundation 29 Prize, Microsoft for Startups, SAS, NVIDIA, and all the information about the prizes are on the dev post.
Yeah. So today we have our guests from Women in AI.
So good morning, Ivana.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So excited to be here today with you.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining. So could you briefly introduce yourself and feel free to put on your presentation and let us know more about women in AI.
Yes, thank you very much. So my name is Stefana von Proschwitz, and I'm from the core team of Women in AI Sweden, and I'm the partnership and mentorship lead. So today I will tell you about Women in AI, Women in AI Sweden, and some of the projects that we have done. So I will just share my presentation with you. 1 second.
We can see it, thank you.
Yes, so Women in AI is a global non-profit working towards gender-inclusive AI that benefits global society. And our mission is to increase female representation and participation in AI, and we do this through different initiatives and projects. So our core values are diversity and inclusion, empowerment and support, responsibility and ethical AI, equality and care and compassion. So our community is a global community existing of women professionals and experts within the AI, and we have over 5,000 members worldwide. We are represented in 115 countries by 40 ambassadors and teams. And the membership pool is about approximately 38% tech professionals and 18% with Vinnova, where we have done a research about equality within AI. We have also still have a very good partnership with AI Sweden, where we have done an AI crash course. And last year we did it the first time, and the crash course is 5 workshops, and the interest has been huge. So we have had around 90 participants in every session for that cohort. And this year we have the second cohort of the AI crash course. And on the first session, we had over 300 participants worldwide, and we crashed Zoom because it couldn't handle that many participants. So the interest is huge globally to network and connect with AI professionals worldwide to talk about AI and different topics within AI. And we have an ongoing mentorship program that I have been the initiator behind, to connect students and young professionals with more senior professionals within AI, to help them with their career path and also topics around AI. And that has been very appreciated. And at the moment, we have 28 pairs of mentor and mentees in the mentorship program. And the next cohort of the mentorship program will be opening in the fall. So keep an eye out for that if you are interested in a mentorship within AI. So if we dig deeper into the research that we have done, so we have had about the KTH Campus 2030 project that I mentioned before. We have been working around the technical input for creating interfaces. We have also been working around including women expertise in creating technical artifacts, and also to identify and mitigate gender data gap. And we also had a hackathon for that project. Then we have had a very exciting panel about AI and space, where we talked about different machine learning techniques that are used for space exploration. And then we have also been part of a research paper, and that research paper, the name of the research paper is Multiple Perspectives on Artificial Consciousness. And this has actually been a cooperation between Switzerland, us, and Germany, where we have a psychologist, an engineer, and a lawyer's perspective. So if you are curious about that, look it up. And we have also been part of this hackathon to increase participation of women in the hackathon and also support structure for innovation and research within healthcare. So the amazing team behind Women in AI Sweden, we have Elena Kell, that is the ambassador. We have Sophie Nasbet, that is the education lead driving the AI crash course together with Jonna Hillblom. We have the amazing Vinuta Magel-Shera, that has been driving this initiative, and that is our research lead. We have me, that is the partnership and mentorship lead. We have Rocio, that is the Rocio Backmar, that is the event lead. We have also Silvia Careta, that is the growth lead. And then we have Valerie Pedersen, that is our community lead and taking care of our warming community. And our partners here in Sweden is KTH. We have also a partnership with AI Sweden and Vinnova. And we are actually looking for more partners. So if you are interested in supporting us in our mission to get increased female participation and get more women into the field of AI, please reach out. So I highly encourage you all to join our community. You can join on Women in AI. It's free and it's a worldwide community. Get onto Slack, interact with other amazing women in this field. We have also a very active LinkedIn page, Women in AI Sweden on LinkedIn, where we post all initiatives, workshops, events, so you don't miss anything. And if you have any other questions or just want to get in touch, please feel free to get in contact with me or Vinuta or with anyone else in the team. That was all for me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ivana. Nice to see that there are being so many initiatives done to increase the number of women in AI, of course, but I assume within technology or IT as such as well. So I'm actually doing the crash course right now. So
that's good.
Very nice. Yeah,
cool.
So do you have any expectations of the outcome on the hackathon that we're doing right now?
Yes, I hope to see some very exciting and innovative projects.
It's going to be, it's always interesting the last day. You're really looking forward to being able to see the solutions.
And I can say that we have few teams that are only ladies, which is nice.
Which is nice, That's good.
So.
Very nice. Yeah. Good luck with the hackathon. Hope you get the outcome that you will wish for.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining today.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, so we are moving on to Microsoft for Startups, and we have Kelvin over here with us.
Hey everyone, how are you?
Hi, good morning.
Morning, all good. And you?
Great to be on. Great to start the morning like this, Gord. How are you?
We are fine.
Good stuff.
So
let me kick off and let me just share my screen here quite quickly. And can you all see my screen?
Yes, we can. Thank you.
Fantastic. So let's kick off. So everyone, thanks so much for having me on today, and really looking forward to a fantastic hackathon. This has been a couple of months in the making, and really looking forward to seeing some of the amazing projects that are going to be done through this hackathon. Quick introduction to myself. My name is Kelvin Keane. I'm a Western European Startup and Partner Manager for Microsoft for Startups. And really today we're going to give you a quick snapshot of what the Microsoft for Startups program is, how you can get involved, and what some of the benefits of the program are. So Microsoft are looking at startups and we're thinking, what do you need to succeed? And from our perspective, access to technology and access to commercial resources is hugely pivotal to your ability to scale and grow. And in our program, what we aim to do is give you exactly that. The Microsoft for Startups program simplifies your access into the Microsoft ecosystem and puts you at the center of an ecosystem that helps you scale and grow. If you look at this diagram here on the left of your screen, you can see we want to put you in the center of a load of three key stakeholders. That's Microsoft, so Microsoft Teams, our subsidiaries, our global network. Microsoft partners are hugely pivotal to your success and to our success in giving you a very strong experience while you're in the program. We have partners across a range of things, from commercial, technical, financing, funding, even IoT and healthcare being, such a huge aspect of this hackathon. We have some fantastic healthcare partners as well. We'll talk about that a little bit later. And finally, our customers, connecting you not only directly into Microsoft's customers, but also into our partners' customers as well through things like partner innovation programs. As you can see, we offer resources in both technical and commercial. So from a technical point of view, we offer up to $120,000 of Azure credits over 2 years, a range of business tools from GitHub to Visual Studio, Dynamics, Power BI, and then very, very strong technical support through our Azure Tech Advisors, through our app consults, and through our fast track team. And all of this, what we're trying to do is, as you scale and as you grow, you're scaling on Microsoft's technology with the help of our technical experts. Secondly, from our commercial aspect, we're really looking to drive you into Microsoft's customers, both on a direct basis and then driving you into our partners' customers through things like partner innovation programs. And how we're able to do that is connecting you into the right people, programs, and projects that really puts you in the shop window of some of those fantastic customers, so that you are selling alongside us and selling alongside our customers as well. Finally, we really look at building very strong events and content that helps you pick and choose what type of learnings you want to take throughout the program. So really, we're hoping that we're covering all bases with our benefits. Who do we support? It's very, very simple. We're looking for companies, B2B, B2B2C. We have a small few B2C companies now as well, but very importantly, building a scalable cloud backend, building things like a SaaS solution are primarily things that we have on our program. Companies that are less than 7 years old, where we can flex quite a significant amount here. We're looking for companies that are really beginning their journey on the cloud and are really able to jump on the resources that we're able to give them as a program. Some other things that we look for, companies that are have built their MVP, are about to go to market, or even have gone to market already and are building some traction with customers. We really like seeing that, and something that we're very, very keen when we're evaluating companies to come onto the program, that they have some element of customer traction. Finally, we're looking for you to be able to project a decent spend on Azure. As I said, we offer $120,000 over 2 years of Azure credits. We want you using as many of those credits as possible. So really looking about bringing you on to the program when you feel like you're able to accelerate your scale, you'll be able to use the resources we've given you and really kick on from there. This again is just a bit of a blown up view of the benefits that we had. As I said, from a technical side, very, very strong in terms of the bundle of products that you get and the credit offering, plus a very strong technical support network. both directly within Microsoft's teams and indirectly as well through some of our great technical partners globally. And then secondly, from a business expertise, trying to drive you into our customers, both from a direct and an indirect point of view, all the while using our very strong events and our content. The journey is quite simple. You know, we're looking for you to come on to the program, either come through one of our partners, which, you know, we have partners across a lot of the companies, a lot of the partners that you guys might be coming through would be some accelerators, VCs and stuff like that. And afterwards, I'll leave my contact details. You can get in touch with me directly over email, or add me on LinkedIn at Kelvin Keane on LinkedIn, and we can have a discussion as well. Once you're on to the program, it's a quick application process. We get you onboarded if you're the right fit for the program. We can start building. You can start using your Azure credits. You can start using your business tools, and you can start using the fantastic technical support that we have. As you build your solution, we then start looking to introduce you into subsidiary relationships, looking to introduce you into some partner relationships. And we're trying to then build up those foundational elements within Microsoft for you. And then the last thing is looking at from a commercial point of view. So looking at maybe our marketplace, looking at our partner innovation programs, and then looking at trying to sell through with Microsoft. And at the end of the 24 months, or if you finished your credits before that, you'll graduate from the program, and hopefully you'll continue your relationship long-term with Microsoft. So the three key co-selling routes that we try to drive you through is a direct relationship with direct sales, which is primarily through our global marketplace, which is nearly 4 million monthly active users in our app source and Azure marketplace in over 140 countries. I guess what this gives you is access to commercial resource that you won't have within your domestic countries, and potentially selling through in geographies where you don't actually have a sales force. From a partner perspective, selling your solutions into some of our reseller partners and on from there. And finally, through Microsoft sellers themselves, selling your solutions into our customers. Our co-sell program is something that we're very, very proud of, and it's something that a lot of companies within our program have actually got to the point of. We've driven over $1.2 billion in sales pipeline from graduated startups in the last 2 years, and this is something that shows our commercials are really working. I guess what we're trying to do here is giving you a guided sales process if you are at the point whereby it is of it's of value to you, opening up our sales force to you as a startup. And I think, you know, one of the fantastic things about this hackathon is the fantastic partner and commercial presence within this hackathon who are working with us at Microsoft and Microsoft for Startups. And I touched upon it a little bit earlier around our partner innovation programs. We aren't just helping companies sell directly to Microsoft customers, we're helping them sell indirectly to some of our partners' customers. And this is a very, very key aspect and key pillar of Microsoft for Startups' commercial approach. We're doing things with the likes of EY. We've run Pitch for Impact in both Portugal. We did it in Monday in Italy, driving sustainability companies into sustainability customers. And finally, FinTech 365, fantastic initiative in Portugal that we're scaling out across EMEA, working with financial institutions in Portugal to bring FinTech companies globally into those companies and solving the challenges that those companies have. So all what we're trying to do here is look at the partners that we have, how they align to the solutions and to the challenges that our startups in program are able to basically take and solve the challenges of their end customers. This is a slide that I really, really love because it really demonstrates the value of Microsoft for Startups and really demonstrates the value of being in the program as a startup. We're really looking to put you in the center of that ecosystem, that overall Microsoft ecosystem. If you remember at the start of my presentation today, I talked about simplifying access to the Microsoft ecosystem, and this is really our bread and butter. As you can see here, you're at the center. You can access into Microsoft field teams, Microsoft subsidiary teams, access into our product groups, access into industry-focused teams like our healthcare teams, which have been so pivotal in the construction of this fantastic hackathon. Things like our IoT and our IoT partners are really key in giving any solution who is building a hardware solution in conjunction with their software solution access into very strong go-to-market and manufacture at scale resources. We have our VC bridge is very, very important to us. We under the program don't offer any monetary funding ourselves. We don't take any equity either. Basically, we have built up a huge range of partners globally, VC partners that we look to connect you as a startup into. If you're looking to go from pre-seed to seed, seed to Series A to Series B and beyond. We've got the relationships to help you do that. And finally, the partner and customer ecosystem. I know we've gone back over it a few times, but it is really, really key to point out. The Microsoft, we have over 150,000 global partners. We have the largest partner network in the world. The potential of those partners is what we're trying to drive into our startups as well. So this really is it. Will you be next? And we really look forward to seeing some of the fantastic projects that will be on show in this hackathon. We're looking to speak to anyone who is involved in this hackathon and would like some more information about the program. Obviously, you can get in touch with me on LinkedIn. I'd be happy to chat to all of you, or you can get in touch with me at v-kean@microsoft.com, and what we'll do is we'll send out that information, send out these slides to anyone on the live stream today if they're looking forward to doing it. I just want to leave you with the last thing of these are some of the fantastic positive feedback that we've got from companies on the program, but what we're really looking to do is take these feedback, really drive them globally, really introduce you as a startup into the Microsoft ecosystem, introducing you to the people, projects, and partnerships that'll help you scale and grow, and ultimately give you a long-term relationship with Microsoft. So thank you so much, and I'll finish there.
Thank you, Kevin. This will be a great opportunity, I'm sure, for some of our teams.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
So thanks for joining, and see you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you then. Bye-bye.
Okay, to wrap it up, it's final day. You should submit until 6 p.m. Central European Summer Time, CEST. You should make video not longer than 7 minutes, and you should describe your project. Simple as that. You're there, you put a lot of effort these 3 weeks. Please do submit your projects, don't miss the deadline. Yeah, and next week the council will review the projects, and judges will vote, and yeah, winner announcement is on
next
Friday.
Yeah,
At 5 p.m. Yeah,
that'll be exciting.
Yeah.
We'll be ready to celebrate.
For sure. We have prize for each track winner, and there is also prize from the partners, which is really nice, and your opportunity to continue working on your projects like for 3 months after or more after the hackathon. So good luck, everyone, and yeah, it was great fun, and we had a lot of great guests here with different presentations and showing you different opportunities. So Yeah. See ya at the winner announcement.
Exactly. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.